Hello, this is Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. So I bought these two Tactacam cameras. There's a video that I have, an unboxing video when I bought this stuff. And I'm up here at deer camp, and it's the evening after I just shot that doe. The doe video, shooting the doe, will come up. So give you a rundown on what I was using and what these Tactacams are. So let's see what we got. So I've got my dad's 1968, I believe, Remington 742 Woodsman. I got the magazine is out. I've got a Redfield 3x9. This is I think they called it the Sport View. Now this attachment here on the back end is the Tactacam film through scope attachment. So watch the rest of the video.
There's a doe looking right at me. Can you see the doe? I got three of them right in front of me right now. I don't think I'll shoot one. There's one. That's a big doe there. I could shoot her. Should I shoot her?
So this is Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. Just shot at a doe. And tractor. My bullet hit right there. Sawed that tree off. And she didn't go far. Hit her right where I was aiming. Big old doe. Big old doe. So, anyhow, did this with the Tactacam right through the scope. You've seen me shoot her. It's kind of cool. Not sure how level all this is, but gotta go get back and get the four-wheeler and whatnot. So, all right. Like I always say, God bless you, God bless America. Get out there and do something with the family.